Hi everybody, San Banana. Welcome to my channel. Do make sure that you are subscribed and also do like the video. So listen, you guys, Jojo Robinson made an announcement recently that she had been diagnosed with skin cancer and that she might have to go through some medical procedures, possibly an operation to remove part of her skin. And on top of that, she was very concerned about the tattoos on her body and how everything was going to look after that. And she has actually done the procedure, you guys, and it seems like everything has gone well. But the day before the procedure, she posted pictures because I think she was just wanting to take pictures of her body just before the procedure. And from the last video, you guys, that I posted, I just see that some people had commented to say that why does it seem like Jojo is so concerned about the tattoos? She is dealing with something so serious right now. Shouldn't the tattoos be the last thing that she is concerned about? I think some of us, you guys, that don't even understand the whole thing of doing the tattoos and doing so much on your body might not understand the importance of these tattoos to her. And to some of us, it might just seem like, I mean, you're dealing with something so serious. It's cancer. Why would you even care how the tattoos are going to look like as long as at the end of it all you are healthy? So I think it's just one of those things that some of us might not be able to understand because tattoos are not that important to us, but they are important to Jojo. So she did the surgery, but the day before, this is what she posted as far as her tattoos were concerned. So this is what Jojo wrote the day before surgery. This is the last day my back tattoo would look like this. Tomorrow is surgery day where we will remove the multiple skin cancers on my back, and currently there is 6 of them. Unfortunately, with the skin cancer like mine, large areas are cut out, which in general would be okay. But for someone that has spent so much time and pain to build up a back piece, it is a double blow. She also goes on to say large sections of the tattoo will be removed, and I have no idea what that is going to look like. But as someone told me here on Insta, what is the core or behind the tattoos? It is your story told on the outside. So essentially, it is just the next phase of the story. Unfortunately, this type of skin cancer is one you also potentially live with for the rest of your life. So we don't know what the future holds either. But I'm just focused on removing what I have currently and then moving on. She continues to write, I also just want to clear another thing that's been currently going around. Skin cancer is not linked to tattoos, it's genetic. My mom has it and she has no tattoos. It's also from UV exposure and the type of skin I have. The only downside for someone like me with tattoos is the havoc it will cause on the tattoos and what they will look like. But that's the least of my concerns. For today, I'm just gonna say goodbye to my bag that Mike Atura created with me and that we spent hours together on. We'll fix her up in time. I love her as she is, and I wouldn't change a thing. I wore it proudly for years, and it looked like this. So the next day, you guys, Jojo did go in and have surgery, and it did look like Bube was the one that was in charge of her social media, and he did say that he was instructed strictly to update the followers, and this is what he wrote when he posted the pictures of Jojo in the hospital. He said Jojo's surgery was successful. She's currently sleeping it off. It was a 3.5 hour surgery picture. One is before the surgery picture, two are the current view after the surgery. The team of nurses and staff at Rebumed Medical and, of course, Dr. Paul are absolutely amazing. Thank you for taking such a good care of my Jojo and everyone for love and support. I know she was blown away by the love she told me, and I had to update the Insta family. Thank you so much, you guys. Listen. I think the tattoo thing, you guys, it's almost like, people that like animals and they like like pets, and then they lose their cats and they lose their dog. And if you are somebody that is not into pets like that, you would not be understanding why they are so emotional, like they've lost a person. I think even with the tattoos, it's like that. Some of us can never understand why she's so concerned about them, but that was something that was very, very important to her, and that she spent a lot of time putting on her body. And obviously, she never thought that she would have to do anything to them. I don't know, you guys, but yes, we wish Jojo well. I'm so glad that the surgery went well, and hopefully, she won't have to do more in the future. Thank you so much. Nginithanda kakhulu.